So, what are 3 ways that you would recommend to somebody who is resisting, justifying? 3 ways to get to begin doing the hard things first.
Okay. I think number one, it's important to write it down. Write down what it is that you want to achieve. Okay. And then look, you have to visualize it first, write it down, and then start kind of pecking at that list. All right. Let me give you an example. Um, you know, whatever your work is, whether you're a doctor, lawyer, accountant, writer, whatever, there are certain things that you need to do to get a project done. And I don't think there's any difference of looking at a case or looking at, your yard with a bunch of leaves in it. You know that you have to do some things. You know you got to pick up the rake. You know you got to start at one corner of the lot. You know that you got to have your garbage bags ready. You have to do those little things rather than looking at this really daunting project and going, you know what, I just can't do it. I say, write it down, look at it, and start it. Whatever it is, you got to start.
Yeah.
Don't waste any time. Just start doing it.
Yeah.
Start packing away. Listen, I write a column every month, okay, for the legal news. And there's probably 50,000 lawyers that read that or that gets circulated to every month. That column, even though it's only 800 or 1,000 words, stresses me out every time. You know why? Because I want to make sure that every column is better than the one I wrote before. I don't know if, from column to column, what's going to be original or what's not. All I know is that I have to sit down, pen to paper, come up with my idea, and just start writing, right?
Yeah.
Like anything else. So that's the most important thing. Visualize it, write it down, and then start it.
Yeah. Right. So write it down, visualize it, write it down.
Start pecking away.
Start
And then
pecking
take
away.
the first step.
Yeah. I love it. I
Yep.
love it. That was